Are you looking to change things up with your accordion? In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 accordion hacks and modifications that you can do from home that'll improve your playing. It'll make your accordion more comfortable. It'll even make your accordion sound better. These are a bunch of things I've learned over the years, and I can guarantee you that you probably haven't heard of all 10, so stay tuned. Number 1 is the D.I.Y back strap. This is a strap that connects the two shoulder straps, and not all straps come with something like this. And if yours doesn't, you could be in for a lot of trouble. I played without a back strap for years, and I wound up really injuring my shoulder. This makes a big difference when you're standing and playing, so if you are performing a lot, I would highly recommend doing something like this. And with this installation, it's more of a permanent installation, which makes it tricky for getting in and out, but if you actually install a buckle on the bottom of the accordion and on the bottom of the strap, you're left with another easier access point. I did a full video on this topic and did an entire tutorial on how to do it. You can go to the description down below. A lot of the things on this list today are going to be in the description. I've already made videos for them, so if you're needing any more assistance with any of these, check out the description down below. Number 2 is another accordion hack for the straps. I like to call this the ergonomic half twist. Basically, instead of threading your accordion shoulder straps on the bottom inside out, like you might think that you need to do it outside in, and this will create a little ergonomic half twist that'll contour to your body and it'll feel better, especially while standing. You're not going to have the strap jutting into your side. This one is a game changer. And the last little tip that I have for straps, number 3, get some accordion strap covers. These are elastic covers sold by Petosa, and they go over the buckle like this, and what this does is give it a nice streamlined look. And it also protects your hair from getting caught up in these things. For me, I throw my accordion straps on and take it off, and I lost quite a bit of hair before getting these things, and it makes a big difference. These are like fully elastic, so they slide around a little bit. I used a little bit of gaffer's tape right here to keep it in place, and that seems to do the trick. If you don't want to get the strap covers, you can just get the gaffer's tape alone and just wrap it up, and it'll do the job. Gaffer's tape is a professional non-stick tape, kind of like duct tape, but not as aggressive and messy. You could peel it off and you're not going to leave a whole bunch of residue. So gaffer's tape is really great to use. And speaking of gaffer's tape, let's talk about number 4. And number 4, I think I'm most excited about this one. This is called the accordion grill mute. Basically, we're taking some gaffer's tape and lining the inside of the accordion grill. Basically, this seals off all the exit ways for the sound to come out of, and it kind of covers everything up and makes it a little bit unique sounding. It makes it honestly almost sound like a tone chambered accordion. A tone chambered accordion is something that's very expensive. It's got a very premium sound, and doing this little hack that costs very little totally transforms the sound of your accordion. And I did a full video on it. Check the link in the description. But while we're on the topic of transforming the sound of our accordion, if we look at the registers, you can basically press both of these registers at the same time. Pick 2 of them and blend them together. This technique is called blending registers. I learned it from my friend Smiling Jack. And basically, again, you're transforming the sound. You're getting another sound that sounds similar to the grill mute, but it also kind of detunes the instrument as well in certain scenarios. Again, I did a whole nother video on it. You can check it out down in the description below. And moving down below, we have number 6, mark your accordion bass buttons. You can do this with rhinestones, or you can use a drill and drill it out. Basically, this is going to improve your feelability when you're playing the bass. You can't see all this stuff, and if you're making leaps, especially out here in the outer territories, if it's not marked, it's going to be tough to identify it. So I did another video on that. Check it out. Mark your accordion bass buttons. All right, number 7, convert your case. This isn't going to be applicable to every accordion case, I believe, but this was something that was shown to me by my buddy Andrew Chambers. He was in town, happened to hit me up, and came by the studio and showed me something I've never seen before. Basically taking a luggage backpack converter and using it on an accordion hard case. I don't think this is going to be applicable for every case. He's got a 48 bass, much smaller, and it would probably work on something like that, maybe a 72, maybe a 96, I don't know, but a very unique modification that you can do to your accordion case. So yeah, you can go on Amazon, type in luggage backpack converter, and it'll show up. It's about anywhere from $40 to $80. So if you got a small case, if you're looking to do some traveling, this is perfect. Andrew, thanks so much, man. Come back to the studio soon. I miss you. And let's get on to number 8. It's often advised not to set your accordion down like this, because if you do, you can kind of damage some of the finish on it. And in my case, using this for street performing a lot, I would do that. I would take it off, I would set it down, talk to people, and I wound up scuffing up the paint. Number 8, you make some moldable feet out of moldable glue. And when you apply it, you basically have little feet that the accordion can sit on. This stuff that I used is called Sugru, and it is a moldable glue that you work between your fingers, and you put it on the areas where it's gonna stand up. And I found that these 3 spots right here make it stand and balance perfectly. Cool little trick to not get your accordion so messed up. This is a semi-permanent installation. I think once you put it on, it's gonna be a little tough to get off, but yeah, moldable feet. And speaking of performing, I would always play with backing tracks, and when I would do that, I had to navigate my MP3 player, and a great way to do that is with number 9, an MP3 Remote. This is a little remote that I picked up off Amazon, and using a little bit of Gorilla mounting putty, you can apply it to the accordion and navigate your songs. You can turn up the track, you could turn it down in volume. It's really great to have this, and it's adding a digital feature to an acoustic accordion. So I think that's pretty cool, and yeah, that's number 9. Finally, number 10, we have the accordion bass button sticker. This is a way of staying organized with your bass buttons, where it lays out all of the root buttons and the counterbass buttons. This works on a full 120. This of course is a 48, but it works on a full 120. You can cut it to size, and we have white that can go on black, and then we have black that could go on white. Any accordion shade in between, you're covered because you have 2 of them. So that's 10 accordion hacks and modifications that you can do at home. So what did you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you're gonna try out, which one you're most excited about. If there's anything I'm missing, if there's any other hacks or modifications that I don't know about, I would love to open up the comment section as a extra resource beyond the recording of this video. 2 years from now, 5 years from now, you might go down there and find a whole list of things that I may have missed in this list of 10. So give this video a quick like. YouTube will help push it out to more accordionists. And I want to give a quick shout out to my Patreon members. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. If you too would like to become a patron and support this channel, head on over to patreon.com/squeezingthanks. Guys, thank you so much. Until next time, peace.